Good morning, my friends. Today is going to be a quick tidy up, a morning routine that I typically do every day right after my kids and my husband leave for work. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline and I'm so glad that you decided to check out my channel. And if you guys like cleaning videos, motivations, and organizations, decluttering, some plant-based cooking, because that's what I like to eat, but you guys can always add meat or dairy to your guys' products. Anyways, getting off the subject, if you guys like that type of videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Leave me a comment below letting me know that you're new here so that we can get to know each other. I like to start with the kitchen. I like to do the dishes and then I'll wipe down the cabinets. I try not to make my tidying up in the mornings too long. I like to do my bulk of my cleaning after I get done with the gym. Sometimes I get so into cleaning that I will take an hour to 2 hours, and then by that time I'm not wanting to go to the gym. So I just usually try to do a quick tidy up. I would like to know your guys' cleaning schedule. What do you guys like to do? You like to do a quick tidy up in the mornings, or do you just want to do the full cleaning all at once? Leave a comment below, please. After I get done with the kitchen, I usually work in the dining room where I'll just wipe down the table, the coffee bar, and then our buffet. Usually this room isn't quite as messy. We try to always clean the table after we get done eating. I typically make a mess over here. I always usually get coffee grounds all over the place, and when I'm pouring the coffee, I typically get it all over the cabinet, so I have to always wipe this area up. After I get done wiping all this stuff down, I will go and do a load of laundry. Usually I try to do one load in the mornings, and then when I get back I can always throw it in the dryer, and then before the kids come home I will fold them, and then they have to put away their clothes.
To settle down, there'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but
After I get done with the laundry, I like to go downstairs and make my bed. In the mornings, I don't make my beds right away when I get out. I used to, but lately, for the last few years, I've been airing out my bed. I just let the air hit it in the mornings. I'll open up my windows and my shades, and then I'll come back and make my bed.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
Right here, this is a new thing that I had added to my bedroom. Jean had made me a little vanity since we don't have enough space in our bathroom for our makeup and stuff like that. So she had repurposed this little desk nightstand type thing, and we put our makeup in there now.
We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we.
Okay guys, thank you so much for joining with me. I hope you guys like my routine. If you guys did, hit that like button and leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel to grow, and it also lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content, and it also lets me know that you guys are enjoying this. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block